What's up, guys? It's Marley here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today, I have a special guest. I have Miss Caitlin and my daddy. Today, we're going to the river and swim and hiking. It's a long drive, so I'm going to give the camera to Miss Caitlin. Here you go, Miss Caitlin.
Thanks, Marley. Hey, guys, we're almost there. Only about 1 minute left. We're so excited. How excited are you, Marley?
Good. I'm really excited.
How excited are you, Daddy?
Thrilled.
Woo! We're just so pumped. And, we've never done this hiking place before, so it's going to be a real adventure. At all. What are you expecting to find, Marley?
These are all the people.
Seashells.
Seashells. Oh, okay. Maybe a lot of grass and a lot of people. But it's going to be so fun, and we're going to take y'all along for the journey, okay?
Yeah.
We will hop back on once we get on the trail, okay? I'm going to have Marley tell y'all bye.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye. Hiking on the trail on the river.